Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing both accounts and the console. Sign into your Microsoft profile on the Xbox Series X, make sure Discord is an active verified account, and install the latest Xbox system update. Once done, open the Xbox mobile app on your phone or the console's guide, and go to Profile Settings, Linked Social Accounts to begin connecting. Do this now so you can move straight into authorizing and pairing without delays. Next, link Discord through the Xbox app or directly on the console. From the Xbox mobile app or console settings, choose Linked Social Accounts, pick Discord, and follow the Microsoft sign-in flow to authorize the connection. You'll grant permissions for voice, presence, and friends list syncing. Make sure to read them so you know what's shared. Once authorized, the systems exchange tokens, and your Discord account will show as linked. This lets you join voice channels using Xbox parties or the Xbox controller workflow. Finally, start using Discord features on your Xbox. Open parties and chats or the guide, find linked Discord servers or active voice channels, then choose Join to route audio to your headset. You can transfer voice between the Discord app and Xbox party system using on-screen prompts. Adjust mic and volume in audio settings. If something fails, unlink and relink an account linked social accounts, verify privacy/communication permissions, and restart the console. This single troubleshooting step resolves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.